The Chinese company WM Doll, one of the largest manufacturers of robotic dolls in the country, has begun implementing artificial intelligence technology into its robots to enhance the user experience and boost sales. The company released a video showcasing its production process and the integration of artificial intelligence. Thanks to the incorporation of large language models, the robots can engage in conversations with users, remember previous discussions, and adapt to user preferences. Users can choose from 8 different personalities for their robotic doll, including gentle or lively, allowing for a customized interaction experience. The robots are equipped with features that mimic human-like movements such as blinking and have soft, skin-like textures, making them even more realistic. The integration of artificial intelligence aims to create a stronger emotional connection between robots and users. In essence, robots have taken one step closer to understanding living people, which is both fascinating and unsettling at the same time. Meet a hyper-realistic avatar robot developed in China by Robotics named Hobbs. Hobbs is a humanoid robot with a high degree of freedom and interactive capabilities. It is equipped with advanced technologies that enable real-time remote control of facial expressions and support human interaction based on a multimodal large-scale model. Hobbs is the country's first bionic robot head with a high degree of freedom, providing an immersive interactive experience. It features its own multimodal large-scale model, ensuring ultra-low latency in human-machine dialogue. Its ultra-bionic mechanical structure supports highly dynamic facial expressions, achieving a technological breakthrough in developing a robot head with standard human proportions. The company Agile, which was founded by former Huawei employee Peng Jihui, has demonstrated progress in developing its latest robotic humanoid. Through training and the integration of artificial intelligence into companies' robotic machines, they have learned to perform various everyday tasks, including making sandwiches. They can also clean, do laundry, and assist with household chores. Agile robots feature an anthropomorphic design, allowing them to interact efficiently with environments designed for humans. They are capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from simple manipulations to complex operations, expanding their applications across various industries, including manufacturing, service, and education. Agile robots represent a significant advancement in robotics industry, offering solutions for automating daily tasks. Their ability to learn and adapt makes them promising assistants in different areas of life. The American robot Atlas has reached an entirely new level. Boston Dynamics has unveiled an updated version of its humanoid robot Atlas, now astonishing with its fluidity and variety of movements. Atlas can run, crawl, perform somersaults, breakdance, and even execute a cartwheel. It has mastered these movements through reinforcement learning, based on examples captured and animated from human motion. Despite its humanoid design, its capabilities go beyond human limitations, allowing it to perform more complex and dynamic maneuvers. The company claims it is the most agile humanoid robot to date, and in the future it will assist people with routine household tasks and work in Hyundai factories, as Boston Dynamics is owned by Hyundai. While companies like Tesla, Figure, and Sanctuary focus on quickly deploying robots for practical tasks, Boston Dynamics continues to lead in developing smooth and natural humanoid mobility. The Chinese have advanced further than anyone else in their pursuit of creating an army of combat robotic machines. The government is funding dozens of projects aimed at developing the ultimate humanoid capable of replacing humans on the battlefield. One such project is the PM-01 robot developed by the Chinese company Engine AI. Recently, the company released a new video showcasing the robot's upgraded capabilities, and to be honest, the progress is astonishing. PM-01 is equipped with advanced optical motion capture technology and a neural network, allowing it to precisely replicate human movements and adapt to various conditions. Moreover, the robot can perform acrobatic stunts such as a forward flip, which was previously unattainable for robotic humanoids. With the release of PM-01, Engine AI takes a significant step forward in the development of humanoid robots, capable of replacing human soldiers on the battlefield and reshaping the military industry. Here is A66N, the latest development in the realistic robo-doll industry, presented by the Japanese company White Rabbit Doll. This manufacturer specializes in creating high-quality silicone robots with advanced features that closely resemble the human form. The company promises to find a partner for lonely individuals and thanks to artificial intelligence combined with their realistic robots, replace humans in relationships. The A66N model is a highly realistic head designed for installation on full-sized bodies. It is made of high-quality soft silicone, providing a natural skin texture similar to real human skin. A multi-layer painting technique is used to create a realistic effect of pores, veins, and other micro-details. The price of A66N depends on the configuration and individual customer preferences, such as skin color, makeup type, eyes, hair, and more. On the official website, the cost of similar heads ranges from $500 to $1,500. The future has already arrived in China. The Chinese robotics manufacturer UB Tech has released new footage showcasing the work process of dozens of industrial robots, Walker S1, at the factories of the country's largest automobile manufacturers. As we know, humanoid robots had already begun training in factories including BYD. Walker S1, with a height of 172 centimeters and a weight of 76 kilograms, is capable of carrying boxes, tightening screws, assembling and sorting parts. Today, 70% of all tasks in automated production are performed by robotic manipulators. UB Tech plans to automate an additional 20% of processes using robotic humanoids. In this case, only 10% of tasks will remain for humans, primarily involving coordination and tool management. In the face of a shortage of skilled workers, humanoid robots can reduce dependence on human labor in manufacturing. For the first time, a robot of this type has been integrated into a unified system with unmanned transport vehicles and intelligent production management systems. In addition to BYD, the company's clients in the automotive industry include the state-owned Dongfeng Motor, the FAW Volkswagen joint venture, and Geely. The humanoid robot MagicBot, which was developed by the Chinese company Magic Lab, has recently mastered straight-legged walking and running. These abilities bring robots closer to more natural and efficient ways of movement characteristic of humans. MagicBot is equipped with 42 degrees of freedom, providing high flexibility and maneuverability. Its arms can lift loads weighing up to 20 kilograms, while the total carrying capacity reaches up to 40 kilograms. The robot is made of high strength and lightweight materials, allowing it to operate autonomously for up to 5 hours. MagicBot has demonstrated the ability to walk and run with straight legs, reaching a speed of approximately 7.2 kilometers per hour. These skills enable it to move efficiently across different surfaces, expanding its applications in industry and other fields. Additionally, the robot can work in coordination with other devices, performing tasks on production lines such as product inspection, warehouse management, and material transportation. Chinese engineers continue to amaze the world. The Chinese company Expo, known for its innovations in the field of electric vehicles and artificial intelligence technologies, introduced its latest humanoid robot named Iron a few months ago, promising to revolutionize the entire robotics industry. This robot is designed to replace humans in factories, construction sites, mass production, and many other fields. It can also be used in homes to assist people with household tasks. The height and weight of the robot are 178 centimeters and 70 kilograms, matching the proportions of an average adult human. The robot is equipped with 62 movable joints, providing high flexibility and maneuverability, allowing it to imitate human movements such as standing, sitting, and lying down. It features highly precise manipulators that enable it to perform tasks requiring fine motor skills, such as gripping, holding, and placing objects. Google has made a breakthrough in integrating artificial intelligence into robotic machines. The AI models developed by Google DeepMind are called Gemini Robotics and Gemini Robotics ER. They will help robots better understand the real world, interact with people, and perform complex tasks. Now robots can adapt to new situations without training, precisely interact with objects such as folding paper or opening a bottle, and better understand people and their surroundings. Robots have also learned to assess whether it is safe to perform an action in a specific situation. Additionally, a robot constitution has been developed, a set of rules inspired by Asimov's laws. Testing of these new AI models has already begun at companies like Agile Robotics and Boston Dynamics. Moreover, Google DeepMind and Aptronic are working on developing a new generation of robotic humanoids. This is a significant breakthrough, and in the near future, we can expect truly intelligent robotic machines. The Chinese company Shandong Guoqing Intelligent Technology has introduced a whole range of future firefighting robots capable of replacing firefighters in extreme situations. The robots are equipped with electric motors, ensuring environmental friendliness and reducing operational costs. Some models, such as the RXR MC80BD, have explosion-proof capabilities, allowing them to operate in hazardous environments with a risk of explosion. The robots are remotely controlled, enabling operators to stay at a safe distance from the fire zone. Thanks to their tracked or wheeled chassis, the robots can navigate complex and uneven surfaces. They are equipped with water and foam fire suppression systems, as well as various sensors for environmental monitoring. Guoxing robots are designed to replace or support firefighters in dangerous conditions, such as extinguishing fires at petrochemical plants and other facilities with a high risk of explosion. Japanese engineers have developed impressive robotic dinosaurs. OnArt Corp has created a series of remote-controlled animatronic dinobots with highly realistic look and remarkable capabilities. The lineup includes robotic versions of Tyrannosaurus, Raptors, and Allosaurus. The models are made from carbon fiber, with designs based on measurements and proportions of real dinosaur skeletons. The tallest robots reach a height of 7.9 meters. The interactive features of these robots are striking. One of the dinosaurs even grabbed a company representative by the upper torso, pretending to devour him during a presentation. Of course, the highlight of the company's specialist was a mechanical replica of the most famous prehistoric reptile, the Tyrannosaurus. Several times, the T-Rex even lunged at the audience, though it was merely an imitation of an attack. The technicians accompanying the robot demonstrated that it posed no danger to humans, and to prove it, one of the company's employees even placed his head inside the dinosaur's jaws. America is challenging China and entering the race to create the most advanced robotic humanoid. Recently, the American company Dexmate AI introduced its latest robot named Vega. Vega is equipped with high-performance manipulators designed to simplify complex tasks. They enable the execution of a wide range of operations requiring both precision and strength. Its foldable torso and arm construction provide flexibility and adaptability in various working conditions. The Vega robot is available for pre-order at a price of $89,999. It is designed for performing complex manipulation tasks, making it valuable in industries such as logistics, manufacturing, and service. Dexmate AI is an American company specializing in the development of robotic solutions with a focus on creating robots with high manipulation capabilities. Their goal is to overcome existing limitations in robotics and provide solutions for tasks requiring advanced dexterity and adaptability. The Germans also know how to impress. Recently, engineers from the company KUKA introduced a robotic system for laying brick blocks that could permanently change the construction industry. This industrial robot is equipped with a high-precision manipulator arm and an artificial intelligence system, and is capable of laying bricks with exceptional accuracy, significantly accelerating the process of building walls. The KUKA robot utilizes advanced automation technologies, ensuring not only speed but also flawless bricklaying quality. It features a sophisticated sensor system that allows it to adapt to different types of construction materials, as well as software that calculates the optimal brick placement order. Unlike a human, the robot does not get tired and can operate around the clock, greatly increasing construction efficiency. At the annual technology conference GTC 2025, NVIDIA introduced an anthropomorphic robot named Blue, developed in collaboration with Disney Research and Google DeepMind. Blue resembles droids from Star Wars and is capable of performing complex tasks, including interacting with objects and expressing emotions. At the core of Blue's functionality is NVIDIA's new open artificial intelligence model named Isaac GR00T N1, designed to accelerate the development of robotic humanoids. This model features a dual-system architecture inspired by human cognitive processes. System 1 is responsible for fast reflexive reactions similar to human intuition, while System 2 enables slow reasoning, allowing the robot to analyze its surroundings and plan its actions. During the presentation, Blue showcased its capabilities by moving across the stage and interacting with NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang. Another interesting project by YouTuber JLaser Video was an attempt to create a real hoverboard inspired by the movie Back to the Future. The idea of developing a device that can hover above the ground using the ground effect is quite ambitious. This physical phenomenon creates an air cushion that allows an object to stay above the surface without touching it. To build the hoverboard, J-Laser Video explored various levitation technologies, including magnetic levitation and the use of superconductors. However, the final decision was to use electric jet engines, which generate an air cushion similar to that used in hovercraft. The hoverboard was successfully tested on different surfaces, including asphalt and grass. However, just like in Back to the Future Part 2, it could not function effectively over water. Despite this limitation, the hoverboard was able to hover steadily at a low altitude, proving the possibility of its real-world application. Former SpaceX engineer Edward Mayer and his team have created an army of robotic blacksmiths capable of revolutionizing manufacturing. Their company Machina Labs has developed roboforming, a metal forming technology using robots and artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional methods that require expensive molds, these robots instantly adapt and produce parts of any complexity. The core idea is simple. Custom manufacturing should be as accessible as mass production. In the morning, the robots can manufacture automotive parts, and by lunchtime, they can produce aerospace components. This enables manufacturing without massive factories, minimizing costs and development time. Machina Labs opens new possibilities, from rapid prototyping to producing parts in space or on remote bases. These flexible, self-learning robots transform any space into a fully functional forge of the future. We move once again to China. This time, engineers from Taishan Culture and Tourism Group Property Management have tested robotic dogs designed to help clean up waste in a scenic tourist area. These robots are four-legged machines developed for operation in challenging environments. They can move steadily across rough terrain, climb stairs, ascend steep trails, and navigate obstacles up to 40 centimeters in height. Their design allows them to maintain balance even on slippery surfaces, making them indispensable in areas where traditional cleaning equipment is ineffective. The robotic dogs are equipped with powerful batteries that provide up to 4 hours of autonomous operation. They can carry up to 120 kilograms of waste at a time, significantly reducing the workload for workers who previously had to carry trash manually. The American company Construction Robotics has introduced its high-tech construction assistants Mule and Sam, which are transforming the approach to construction work by increasing efficiency and reducing physical strain on workers. Mule is a material lifting device capable of handling and positioning loads weighing up to 61 kilograms on the construction site. Using Mule allows productivity on site to double or even triple, significantly reducing construction time while ensuring precision and safety. Sam is a semi-automatic bricklayer equipped with a robotic arm, a conveyor belt, a mortar dispensing system, and laser-guided navigation for laying bricks in rows. Sam can lay between 2,000 and 3,000 bricks per day with minimal assistance from workers. Workers collaborating with Sam are responsible for leveling the mortar and guiding their mechanical partner along the bricklaying line. Here is the development of the Norwegian company Trysil RMM, a high-tech road marking machine called Traffic Printer. This advanced system is designed for the automatic application of road signs and symbols directly onto the road surface. Traffic Printer is a thermoplastic system mounted on a truck, allowing the operator to select the required symbols from a digital library right from the cabin. The chosen sign is applied to the road within 30 seconds, significantly reducing time and labor costs compared to traditional methods of marking. One of the key advantages of Traffic Printer is improving worker safety. By automating the process of marking, operators can remain inside the vehicle, reducing their exposure to road traffic and minimizing the risk of accidents. American troops, specifically soldiers of the 82nd Airborne Division, conducted large-scale exercises in California, integrating combat robots into urban warfare conditions. The purpose of these exercises was to assess the effectiveness of cooperation between military personnel and robotic systems in combat situations. Hundreds of multifunctional armed combat robots equipped with sensors and cameras demonstrated high efficiency. Such combat robots serve as substitutes for humans in combat situations, either to preserve human lives or to operate in environments incompatible with human capabilities. They are used for military purposes such as reconnaissance, combat operations, demining, and other tasks. The integration of combat robots into military operations represents a significant step in the development of modern armed forces. The use of such technologies enhances mission effectiveness and reduces risks for personnel. The exercises at Fort Irwin highlight the U.S. Army's commitment to incorporating advanced technologies into warfare. Here is perhaps one of the most advanced and futuristic flying vehicles, Volar by the British company Bellwether Industries. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft represents the concept of a flying hypercar designed for private owners. The cabin is designed for 2 passengers seated in tandem, emphasizing its sporty character. All elements of the electric propulsion system, including ducted fans, are concealed beneath a streamlined body, giving the aircraft an elegant and seamless appearance. This prototype was unveiled at the Dubai Air Show and demonstrated stable flight at a speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. The company plans for the production version of Volar to reach speeds of up to 220 kilometers per hour and offer a flight duration of 60 to 90 minutes. The expected width of the aircraft is approximately 3.2 meters, making it compact and convenient for urban use. Russian engineers are striving to keep up with their Chinese counterparts. Recently, the company Transport of the Future introduced its new unmanned air taxi named S-700, which is expected to replace ground taxis in the near future. This aircraft combines advanced technologies and is designed to enhance urban mobility, allowing passengers to travel through the air while avoiding traffic congestion and crowded streets. S-700 is built using a multi-copter design and is equipped with 16 propeller motor groups, ensuring high stability, maneuverability, and safety during flight. The aircraft is designed to carry 2 passengers and can ascend to an altitude of up to 3,500 meters, although its optimal operating height is around 300 meters. The maximum speed of the air taxi reaches 100 kilometers per hour, with a flight range of up to 30 kilometers. A single battery charge provides between 15 and 25 minutes of autonomous flight. In early March 2025, the city of Motihari, India, hosted the 2-day festival Shaurya Vedanam Utsav, organized by the Ministry of Defense of India. The event aimed to showcase the country's military strength and inspire young people to join the armed forces. The highlight of the exhibition was military robotic dogs, which operated alongside humans. Visitors also had the opportunity to see the latest weaponry, including tanks, artillery guns, aircraft carrier models, submarines, and other advancements in India's defense sector. Special Forces units conducted live demonstrations, showcasing combat skills and coordinated maneuvers. The Shaurya Vedanam Utsav festival in Motihari provided citizens with a unique opportunity to witness the achievements of the Indian Armed Forces. It also sent a clear message that, like other nations, India is actively investing in military robotics to prepare for future conflicts. Now let's move on to the other news. Rare footage has surfaced online from a secret Iranian military base, showing intensive training of FPV drone operators. These images appear to have been taken at one of the classified facilities of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps and reveal how Iran is preparing a new generation of fighters for modern drone warfare. The footage shows several successful attacks on simulated targets. FPV drones fly at low altitude and strike mock-ups of armored vehicles and fortified positions. After each hit, telemetry data appears on the screen, recording the accuracy of the strikes. The video confirms that Iran is actively developing tactical FPV drones and training specialists for their deployment in real combat scenarios. These technologies could significantly enhance the capabilities of the Iranian armed forces and proxy groups such as Hezbollah and the Yemeni Houthis. It is becoming increasingly clear that drone warfare is an integral part of future conflicts, and nations capable of effectively utilizing FPV drones gain a significant advantage on the battlefield. The British company MSI Defence Systems has developed the advanced drone interception system Terrahawk Paladin. This is a mobile air defense complex designed to protect against unmanned aerial vehicles, cruise missiles, and other low-flying threats. Paladin is equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, Mark 44 Bushmaster, capable of firing up to 200 rounds per minute. It uses airburst ammunition, allowing it to effectively engage drones at a distance of up to 2 kilometers. The system also supports the installation of additional weaponry, including guided missiles with semi-active laser guidance. The detection system includes a radar with all-around coverage, optical targeting devices, a thermal imager, and a laser rangefinder. Paladin can operate both in fully autonomous mode and under operator control. Thanks to its modular design, it can be deployed on both stationary objects and mobile platforms. New Zealand musician Nigel Stanford has released a video that has taken the internet by storm, featuring industrial robots performing a musical composition. The video explores the interaction between technology and music, showcasing how robots can become part of the creative process. At the beginning of the video, industrial robots from KUKA Robotics start playing various musical instruments. One robot uses drumsticks for precise and rhythmic drumming, another plays the piano keys with the right amount of force and speed, while yet another controls a bass guitar, using a pick to produce sound. As the composition progresses, the robots begin to go out of control, destroying the instruments and the stage with lasers and mechanical manipulations, symbolizing their rebellion against human control. Automatica has become one of the most well-known videos demonstrating the integration of industrial robots into the creative process. It has gained widespread recognition for its innovative approach, inspiring both musicians and engineers to explore new possibilities for human-machine interaction in the arts. The Chinese company Shanghai Kepler Robotics recently demonstrated the progress in developing its latest humanoid robot named Kepler Forerunner K2, which promises to revolutionize manufacturing processes. This robot is standing at 178 centimeters tall and weighing 85 kilograms, and is designed to perform a wide range of tasks in fields such as manufacturing, logistics, education, and even space exploration. Forerunner K2 features a high degree of flexibility and mobility thanks to 52 degrees of freedom in its body, including 12 degrees of freedom in its arms, allowing it to perform both complex physical tasks and more delicate operations. Each of the robot's arms is equipped with an advanced system of actuators and sensors, enabling it to grasp and move objects weighing up to 15 kilograms. The robot is designed for 8 hours of continuous operation thanks to a powerful battery, and is equipped with an automatic recharging capability. The company began mass production of the robot in the third quarter of 2024, at a price of approximately $30,000. At the beginning of the year 2025, a marathon took place in Chongqing, one of the largest cities in China, attracting the attention of not only runners, but also technology enthusiasts from around the world. Along the marathon route, spectators witnessed an unusual sight: humanoid robots and intelligent robotic dogs showcasing their capabilities, adding a futuristic touch to the traditional sporting event. These robots are developed by leading Chinese robotics companies and were presented to the public during the marathon to demonstrate the country's achievements. Their participation symbolized China's ambition to integrate advanced technologies into everyday life and sporting events. The appearance of robots at the marathon in Chongqing became a vivid example of how innovation can enhance traditional events, creating a unique experience for both participants and spectators. The Chinese continue to actively develop robots for police work. Recently, a new humanoid robot designed for street patrols and maintaining public order was introduced. This robot features a human-like design equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and an artificial intelligence system. It can recognize faces, analyze people's behavior, and transmit data to law enforcement agencies in real time. The robot moves on 2 mechanical legs, allowing it to operate effectively in urban environments, including navigating stairs and uneven surfaces. Its body is protected against mechanical damage, and built-in algorithms help it avoid collisions with obstacles. Recently, the Chinese company Agile has been actively developing new technologies for its robotic machines. This time, the company's engineers decided to test their humanoid robot named Agibot A2 as an interactive sales assistant designed for work in car dealerships. Standing at 175 centimeters tall and weighing 55 kilograms, the robot features 49 degrees of freedom, can move at speeds of up to 7 kilometers per hour, and lift objects weighing up to 5 kilograms with one hand. It is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence systems, voice communication, and emotion analysis. With built-in cameras and sensors, the robot can analyze a customer's facial expressions, recognize preferences, and provide personalized recommendations. Recently, Agibot A2 successfully completed testing in several car dealerships in China, demonstrating its effectiveness in assisting customers. According to company representatives, the robot helped reduce staff workload and sped up the customer service. The globally renowned company Boston Dynamics has recently achieved a significant breakthrough in the development of its robotic dog named Spot. Using reinforcement learning methods, the company's engineers have increased the robot's maximum speed to 5.2 meters per second, equivalent to 18.7 kilometers per hour, which is more than 3 times its standard speed. Previously, Spot was capable of reaching speeds of up to 1.6 meters per second, or 5.76 kilometers per hour, allowing it to move confidently across various surfaces, including stairs and uneven terrain. The reinforcement learning applied to Spot enables the robot to independently adapt to different conditions and make optimal decisions in real time. Chinese engineers from the company GAC have introduced a new wheeled robot named GoMate. This humanoid robot has 38 degrees of freedom, and its unique design allows it to switch between bipedal and quadripedal modes. In the first mode, its height reaches 1 meter 75 centimeters, while in the second, it is 1 meter 40 centimeters tall. This transformation improves stability and reduces energy consumption by more than 80% compared to similar models. The robot is equipped with solid-state batteries developed by GAC, providing up to 6 hours of autonomous operation. GoMate has demonstrated capabilities in autonomous navigation, decision-making, and precise movement control. German engineers from the company Magirus have also introduced an innovative firefighting development, the Magirus Aircore TAF. This remotely operated robot is designed for efficient fire suppression in hazardous conditions for firefighters, such as structural collapses or the presence of unexploded ordnance. The Magirus Aircore TAF is equipped with a turbine-based firefighting system capable of delivering up to 3,500 liters of water per minute at a distance of up to 80 meters. The robot is remotely controlled from a distance of up to 500 meters, ensuring the safety of operators during rescue operations. In Ukraine, the Magirus Aircore TAF is actively used by the State Emergency Service of Ukraine. Notably, it was successfully deployed to extinguish a fire covering more than 9,000 square meters after a missile strike. The Italian company Princilia has developed an advanced multifunctional myoelectric prosthetic hand called Mia Hand, which combines cutting-edge technology, high functionality, and customization options. This prosthesis is designed not only to restore lost hand functions, but also to give users the freedom to choose its design, making it more than just a medical device. It becomes a true part of personal style. Mia Hand is equipped with an advanced control system that interprets brain signals and converts them into natural movements. With the use of artificial intelligence and tactile feedback, the user can feel pressure and touch, making the prosthesis more intuitive to use. The hand supports 5 main grip types, including pinch, power, and precision grips, covering approximately 80% of everyday hand movements. The Chinese company Limex Dynamics has showcased the progress of its multifunctional bipedal robot Tron-1, which demonstrates impressive mobility skills on challenging terrain. Recently, the robot has learned to efficiently overcome obstacles and perform jumps. In one of the tests, Tron-1 demonstrated its ability to climb stairs and then jump down while maintaining balance. It also moves confidently across rough terrain, adapting to uneven surfaces and changing conditions. The robot is capable not only of walking, but also of accelerating using wheels, and when necessary, it can lock them and use them as support points for jumping or crossing complex obstacles. Engineers at Limex Dynamics have implemented advanced machine learning algorithms that enable the robot to independently analyze its surroundings and select the optimal movement route. Tron-1 supports remote control at a distance of up to 50 meters. BBC reporters captured an incredible animatronic dinosaur that is almost indistinguishable from a living creature. This giant dinosaur roamed around the BBC headquarters in Salford, drawing the attention of passers-by and staff. Created by Creature Technology Co., this animatronic dinosaur showcases cutting-edge advancements in robotics and design. Its realistic movements and lifelike appearance allow viewers to feel as if they have stepped into a world where dinosaurs have come back to life. The dinosaur's appearance at the BBC headquarters was part of a promotional campaign for a new show featuring similar animatronic creatures. Such initiatives not only highlight technological achievements, but also bring audiences closer to the world of dinosaurs, combining education and entertainment in an immersive experience. Firefighting robots can fully replace an entire team of rescuers in the most dangerous conditions very soon. One of the most striking examples is the French robot Colossus, developed by Shark Robotics company. Colossus is equipped with a tracked chassis, ensuring high maneuverability and stability on challenging terrain. It can overcome obstacles up to 30 centimeters high and climb stairs with an incline of up to 40 degrees. Despite its compact size and weight of approximately 500 kilograms, the robot can carry loads of up to 500 kilograms, allowing it to transport heavy tools or evacuate victims. Colossus is remotely operated from a distance of up to 300 meters. The technical specifications of Colossus are impressive. It can operate autonomously for up to 12 hours thanks to powerful batteries, withstand thermal waves of up to 900 degrees Celsius, and is equipped with a video surveillance system capable of transmitting real-time footage. The world-renowned German company Rheinmetall has developed the new mobile anti-aircraft system Oerlikon Skyranger 35, designed to defend against modern aerial threats. Skyranger 35 is equipped with the 35mm Oerlikon revolver gun Mark III, capable of firing with high precision at a rate of up to 1,000 rounds per minute. Its effective target engagement range reaches up to 4,000 meters, allowing it to efficiently destroy various aerial threats, including unmanned aerial vehicles, aircrafts, and missiles. Skyranger 35 is integrated with the Skymaster fire control system, which automates target recognition, threat assessment, and decision-making processes for engagement. While the system can independently suggest target engagement solutions, the final decision to open fire remains with the commander, ensuring compliance with combat rules and operational directives. Filipino engineer and blogger Kix Mendiola has developed a unique flying device called Hoverboard Air. This multi-rotor aircraft is capable of lifting a person into the air and ensuring stable flight. Recently, Mendiola successfully completed a flight on his hoverboard, covering a distance of 2.2 kilometers in 7 minutes and 22 seconds. This flight demonstrated the potential of hoverboard air as a means of personal air transportation. Hoverboard air is controlled using a handheld remote and the pilot's body tilts, making the flying process intuitive. The device is equipped with a stabilization system that ensures safety and comfort during flight. Its compact size allows it to be transported in the bed of a truck, making it convenient for transport and use in various locations. Arcaspace has made a revolutionary step in personal transportation by introducing the Arcaboard, the world's first electric hoverboard capable of lifting a person off the ground. Unlike other similar developments that use magnetic levitation, the Arcaboard operates through powerful air currents, making it versatile for various surface types. The Arcaboard is equipped with 36 powerful electric fans that generate up to 200 kilograms of thrust, allowing the board to lift a person weighing up to 110 kilograms into the air. The body is made of aerospace-grade composite materials, making the structure both lightweight and durable. The board has the shape of a rectangular parallelepiped and weighs 82 kilograms. The main limitation of the device is its operating time. One charge allows for hovering for no more than 6 minutes, after which the battery requires approximately 6 hours to fully recharge. The American company Icon, which is based in Austin, has developed a unique technology that enables the construction of houses using large-scale three-dimensional printers, significantly accelerating the building process and reducing costs. At the core of Icon's technology is the Vulcan Construction three-dimensional printer, designed to print houses directly on the construction site. The construction process involves layer-by-layer application of this mixture, allowing for the precise creation of walls and other building elements. The printer is capable of constructing buildings with an area of up to 185 square meters. The printing speed reaches up to 15 meters per hour, making it possible to build a house in just a few days. Icon aims to address the issue of affordable housing by offering fast and cost-effective construction solutions. Waiters in restaurants and cafes may take a back seat very soon, as robots are increasingly taking over their jobs. The American company Bear Robotics has introduced the autonomous waiter robot named Servi, designed to assist in the service industry, particularly in restaurants and cafes. Servi is equipped with 2 trays and 1 compartment for collecting dishes, allowing it to efficiently transport meals and beverages. Thanks to the use of LiDAR sensors and multiple cameras, Servi has 100% autonomy in movement. It can safely and accurately navigate narrow spaces as small as 52 centimeters in width. The robot can operate for 10 to 12 hours without recharging, carrying up to 30 kilograms of cargo at a time. For convenient interaction, Servi is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen and supports control via a mobile application. It can be used not only for delivering meals but also for collecting dirty dishes, significantly reducing the workload on staff. Another highly efficient firefighting robot has been developed by the Chinese company CITIC. The robot, named RXRM40D, is a fire-resistant tracked platform designed for rescue operations and fire suppression. It is remotely controlled. An operator is located at a safe distance of up to 1 kilometer and manages the device using a terminal that displays information about the robot's status and a video feed from its cameras. The robot's technical specifications include a monitor nozzle with 3 water jet modes, a maximum water flow rate of 40 liters per second, and a shooting range of up to 60 meters. Fire-resistant tracks and a cooling system allow it to operate directly at the fire line. The robot has high maneuverability, can overcome inclines with a slope angle of 25 degrees, has a 0 turning radius, and features an IP65 protection rating. Its autonomous operation time is 10 hours. The Military Technical Institute of Serbia has introduced its latest development, the combat robot named Milos N. This unmanned ground vehicle is designed to enhance the capabilities of the Serbian armed forces in reconnaissance and combat operations. The vehicle weighs 620 kilograms and can reach a speed of up to 7 kilometers per hour. It is an autonomous tracked platform with remote control, equipped with a Zastava M86 machine gun, an M11 grenade launcher, and a surveillance system with a thermal imager. For observation and target detection, Milos is equipped with a thermal imaging camera, daytime and nighttime cameras, and a laser rangefinder with a range of up to 2,000 meters. The robot can recognize targets at a distance of up to 1,000 meters using a charge-coupled device, and up to 450 meters with a thermal imaging camera. The design of Milos allows for the installation of other types of weaponry, including anti-tank missile systems and electronic warfare systems. Engineers from Legacy Effects decided to recreate the Bionics in the form of an animatronic model for the film Jurassic World: Fallen Kingdom. In this movie, Bionics was introduced as one of the new dinosaur species. To bring it to life on screen, a combination of animatronics and computer-generated imagery was used. Special effects expert Neil Scanlon led the creation of the animatronic models, while the team from Industrial Light and Magic handled the CGI animation. To add realism to the dinosaurs, the ILM team consulted with paleontologists and studied the movements of large animals like elephants and rhinoceroses. Bionics was one of the dinosaurs created using CGI. Its appearance in the film added variety and realism to the Jurassic World, allowing viewers to see new, previously unrepresented dinosaurs. Recently, footage of tests for Lockheed Martin's latest hypersonic reconnaissance and strike aircraft named SR-72 has spread across the internet. The aircraft is being developed under Lockheed Martin Skunk Works' secret program. Lockheed Martin SR-72, known as Son of Blackbird, is a next-generation hypersonic unmanned aerial vehicle designed as a successor to the legendary SR-71 Blackbird reconnaissance aircraft. The SR-72 is expected to reach hypersonic speeds exceeding Mach 5, more than 6,000 kilometers per hour, which is twice as fast as the maximum speed of its predecessor. Its primary role is intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Due to its high speed, the aircraft can penetrate areas with advanced air defense systems while remaining beyond the reach of modern anti-aircraft weaponry. Unlike its predecessor, the SR-72 will have strike capabilities, including the ability to carry hypersonic missiles, allowing it to perform both reconnaissance and combat tasks. The first demonstration flight of the SR-72 is expected to take place in the year 2025, with operational deployment planned for the 2030s. The Chinese have also excelled in creating ultra-realistic robotic dinosaurs. The Chinese company Chuangying Intelligent has developed an entire series of unique robots, including Tyrannosaurus rex, Carnotaurus, and Ankylosaurus. Thanks to advanced mechanisms, these dinosaurs can perform smooth and natural movements, including blinking, breathing, and roaring. Built-in speakers reproduce various sounds corresponding to the behavior of each specific dinosaur species. The models are available in life-size, creating the impression of a real dinosaur's presence. The materials used ensure durability and resistance to various weather conditions, allowing the models to be used both indoors and outdoors. The animatronic dinosaurs from Chuangying Intelligent combine cutting-edge technology and artistry, enabling the creation of immersive and educational exhibits that captivate and amaze audiences. Lexus can also boast the implementation of advanced technologies that seem straight out of science fiction movies. In the year 2015, the brand introduced the Lexus hoverboard, a real flying skateboard that operates on the principles of magnetic levitation. This is not CGI or a marketing stunt, but a real device capable of hovering above the surface using superconductors and liquid nitrogen. The total weight of the Lexus hoverboard is 11.5 kilograms, and one refill lasts for approximately 20 minutes of use. Inside the board, superconductors cooled to -197 degrees Celsius interact with a magnetic surface to create the effect of levitation. The design incorporates 32 superconductors, and refilling its 2 cryogenic chambers requires 1.5 liters of liquid nitrogen. However, it can only be ridden on a specially designed magnetic track built in Barcelona. South Korea has joined the race to develop advanced combat robots by unveiling a new quadripedal machine for military and counterterrorism operations. This robot was created as part of the Defense Acquisition Program Administration's Rapid Technology Deployment Program and entered testing in Special Forces units and frontline Army divisions at the end of 2024. The quadripedal robot has high mobility. It can move at a speed of more than 4 kilometers per hour and overcome vertical obstacles over 20 centimeters high. It is equipped with daytime and nighttime cameras for surveillance and reconnaissance, and can carry various equipment, including a remotely operated pistol, a manipulator, or non-lethal weapons. The robot's primary mission is to conduct reconnaissance operations in counterterrorism scenarios. It can enter buildings ahead of live forces, determine enemy positions, and use weapons if necessary. Here is a new military development from the Armenian company Isotech Robotics called Scorpion IS-15. This remotely operated ground combat drone is designed to carry out specialized combat missions, reducing risks to soldiers' lives in the most dangerous areas. Scorpion IS-15 is a compact machine measuring 1.2 meters in length and weighing 370 kilograms. It can reach a speed of 40 kilometers per hour and is equipped with a machine gun, with the option to mount a handheld anti-tank grenade launcher RPG-7. These capabilities allow it to effectively destroy lightly armored enemy vehicles and support infantry units in combat operations. The main goal of the project is to replace soldiers with robots in the most hazardous areas during complex missions, reducing personnel losses. Scorpion IS-15 is capable of operating both in open terrain and indoors.